Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily install the application for the BANG OLUFSEN Beoplay H95 headphones on your iPhone or iPad device. So, and first we need to enter App Store, and here we have to go into search. In the search bar we have to search for BANG, not BNG, BANG and OLUFSEN here. As you can see, here we do have this application called BANG OLUFSEN from BANG OLUFSEN AS developer. Here we will see the Get button. You have to click Get button and then authorize yourself using the Face ID, Touch ID or Apple ID password. It depends, of course, how you set up your authorization. Of course, this application is completely free, don't worry. And after clicking the Get button, the installation will start automatically. Now you have to tap Open here, and here we have to tap Allow at first. Now we can sign in to our account or create an account using the mail and our private data. Without the account we can't use the application. Here I will select Google to create an account. As you can see, let's do this. And I accept terms and privacy policy. We don't have to actually tap receive BNO news and updates, and here we can tap accept. If you disagree, it won't work. Now we have to tap allow, and now we have to enter pairing mode on our headphones or just be paired with our phone. Here we have to click allow and allow. Here, as you can see, we have our headphones which are detected nearby. We have to tap this arrow, and now we are being connected to a product. Here now we can set the name for our headphones, and now we can tap done. And now we are connected. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.